May the power of Christ compel you. He is being possessed. He's trying to shake the devil from him. Clean the devil from thy fur. I told you he was possessed. Nobody believed me. I told you he was possessed. Nobody believed me. Told you. God, he's no longer a God-fearing dog. Yeah.
Shouldn't we call someone?
Ghostbusters!
You scared the dog?
You say the out of you? You say the out of you? Is he on?
Look, he's trying to wipe out. He's trying to rid Satan from his eardrum. May the power of Christ compel you. Holy God! After every cleaning, you must watch out your ears thoroughly. You're trying to shake the devil free from him. Who's been cleared of their sins? Who's been cleared of the sins? No, the devil's still in his ear. It's either the devil or some kind of parasite. Be gone!
Where'd he go? I don't know. There he is.
Alright, now let's let him run around like a nut.
Okay.
Release the hound!